Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Roll each store-bought or homemade roti to a 7 inches diameter and roughly 1/8-inch thickness to create a crisp, thin pizza base. Lightly prick the surface with a fork to release steam. Brush 1 tablespoon olive oil on both sides so the crust resists sogginess. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees C and prebake the roti directly on a baking tray or stone for about 3 minutes until it firms but does not brown fully. Remove carefully and set aside. Spread 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce evenly over each 7-inch roti, leaving a 1/2-inch border for the crust. Sprinkle 60 grams of shredded mozzarella for good melt and add about 30 grams total of toppings such as sliced peppers, cooked chicken, or olives to avoid overloading the thin base. Finish with 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, a pinch of salt, and a drizzle of 1 teaspoon olive oil to enhance flavor before transferring to the oven. Slide the assembled roti pizzas onto the middle rack and bake at 200 degrees C for 6 to 8 minutes, watching for bubbling cheese and lightly browned edges. If you want an extra crisp top, finish under high broil for 30 seconds, but monitor continuously to avoid burning. Remove pizzas and let them rest for 2 minutes to set the cheese. Then slice each 7-inch roti pizza into 6 wedges with a pizza cutter. Garnish with fresh basil or red pepper flakes and serve immediately for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.